Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Dear students, this lecture is for class 9th, the subject chemistry. So in this lecture we will discuss about the solutions and its properties. Before we discuss about the solutions, we will give the definition of some terms. One is solute, another is solvent. First, solute, the substance which is dissolved in a liquid to make a solution is called solute, and the liquid in which solute is dissolved is known as solvent. For example, salt solution is made by dissolving salt in water, so in salt solution salt is the solute and water is the solvent. Similarly, in sugar solution sugar is the solute and water is the solvent. यानी अगर हम शुगर या सॉल्ट को डिज़ोल्व करेंगे वाटर में, जो शुगर है ये solute है, water solvent है. Similarly, when we dissolve salt in water, salt is solute and water is the solvent. The solute particles are also called dispersed particles and solvents are also known as dispersion medium. Now the solutions made by dissolving various solutes in water are called aqueous solutions. यानी जो solutes हम dissolve करते हैं water में उनको हम कहते हैं aqueous solutions. यानी mostly solutions बनते हैं by dissolving solutes in water, so those are called aqueous solutions. On the other hand, the solutions made by dissolving solutes in organic liquids are called non-aqueous solutions. Organic liquids like alcohol, acetone, यानी जो solutes हम dissolve करेंगे alcohol में या acetone में, वहाँ पर जो solutions बनेंगे उनको हम कहेंगे non-aqueous solutions. Now what is solution? A solution is a homogeneous mixture of two or more substances. As a homogeneous mixture means that the mixture is just the same throughout. So if we take the examples of solutions, for example salt solution, sugar solution, vinegar, air, these are the examples of solutions. What are the properties of solutions? First property is a solution is a homogeneous mixture, means it is composition is same throughout. The size of solute particles in a solution is extremely small. It is less than 1 nanometer in diameter. Third property is the particles of a solution cannot be seen even with a microscope. So we cannot see them with a microscope, these particles. The particles of a solution pass through the filter paper. So a solution cannot be separated by filtration. For example, अगर हम ये शुगर solution इसको फिल्टर करेंगे तो वहाँ पर शुगर जो है वो अलग नहीं रहेगा क्योंकि ये डिज़ोल्व होता है वाटर में, so it cannot be separated by filtration. Also the solutions are very stable, that means the particles of solute present in the solution do not separate out on keeping. यानी solute particles अलग नहीं हो जाते हैं इनमें से. For example, if we take the solution of the sugar solution, अगर हम उसको ऐसे ही रखेंगे तो इसमें जो शुगर है वो नीचे नहीं आएंगे, या solute particles अलग अलग नहीं हो जाएंगे इसमें, so they are very stable. A true solution does not scatter light. ये light भी scatter नहीं करेगा, this is because its particles are very small.